Hello viewers, in this video we'll be talking about Oreta LED general purpose light from Inventa's range of lights. This light produces 20 watts of power and comes in two color variations, 6500 Kelvin for cold white and 3000 Kelvin for warm white. To find this product, all you need is the product code. Let's look at the product code, ORT20C. The C and Y denotes the color temperatures, where C literally translates to cold white and Y to warm white. The 20 denotes the 20 watts consumed. Now let's unbox this product and see what's inside. Inside the box, we have the light itself. Looks slim and appealing. Both the body and the diffuser are made out of high-grade polycarbonate material, which makes it unbreakable and flame-proof. It also has resistance to color fading, ensuring the long time usage of the light. And this comes with IP67 rating for its water and dust proofing abilities. Also, if you take a look at the back of this body, they are provided with fins which provides better heat conductivity by increasing the air circulation around it. Inside the light, you'll find high quality LEDs which provide excellent brightness without any dark spots or LED glares that helps preventing your eye from getting any strains. Additionally, this product comes with a 6 kVA surge protection driver which helps the product safeguard from high voltage fluctuations. And in case you need to repair this light, the company produces 1 year of warranty. And this product and the driver inside it both are certified with BIS registration. Installing this light is as easy as it looks. You can directly install this light on any 0.75 to 1 inch pipes. Just loosen the screws, insert the pipe, and then tighten the screws. It's that easy. Alternatively, you can mount these lights on your walls using the Oreta wall clamp. To install this on the wall, just take this sturdy aluminum wall clamp provided by Oreta, fix this inside and remove these screws. Replace them with the lengthy SS screws that they have provided along with the clamp. Once the screws are firmly tightened, now you can use this plate to attach it to a wall, and then you can mount it with 4 other screws and mount it on the wall. After fixing it 4 other screws, then you can change it to your favorite position. Now let's check out the light in action. We are now going to plug the light in the current supply. Wow, the light emits a rich and royal glow, making it perfect for your space. Finally, we reached the end of this video. And it's worth mentioning that all these products are completely made in India, with Inventa's mass producing unit currently situated in Pallikaranai, Chennai. For more product related queries or you need assistance with replacement or warranty, don't hesitate to dial the toll-free number that is being displayed on the screen right now or reach out to us at support@inventa.in. Thanks for watching the video.